It's happening. Capital is going into circular economy. This week in Conscious Tech Intel, I shared that there was a bunch of early stage startups that were raising in circular economy. But here's the interesting thing, it's not an ESG play. It's actually about supply chain resilience. And if you haven't already, I expect you'll start hearing a lot about that this year in 2026. In Conscious Tech Intel over the past week, I tracked 38.5 million euros of capital deployed into circular economy. 5 startups raised capital to close the loop on things like batteries, composites, copper, pigments, and of course, critical minerals. Let's take a quick look at those startups. Okay, I'm going to read this out loud for you. So we have R3 Robotics at 20 million euros, and they do robotic battery disassembly for EU's 70% recycling mandate by 2030. Then we have Uplift 360 at 7.4 million euros, and they regenerate aerospace composites to virgin quality. Then we have Recooper Metals at 5 million euros, and they turn scrap into electrical grade copper without smelting. We have Sparkcell at 4.2 million euros, and they do plant based pigments replacing petrochemicals. And we have Supra Elemental Recovery at 2 million euros, and they extract gallium and scandium from industrial waste. This is super exciting to see, and it's the first time I've seen so many startups focused on circular economy. The reason that this is happening now and why investors are backing this is because Europe and the US import most of their critical minerals from China, so they are heavily reliant on another country. Virgin material production is energy intensive and expensive and just nonsensical. It's extractive. Domestic manufacturing needs secure supply chains, especially with the geopolitical tensions, and circularity competes on economics and not just impact. So, the thesis we are seeing is that materials recovery is infrastructure. The same logic applies to batteries, magnets, and hardware. So, the circular economy just became industrial strategy. You can get the full breakdown in this week's Conscious Tech Intel. Make sure you follow me here for more. I am on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Blue Sky, and LinkedIn.